The client arrived at our studio, had used scissors to cut between his dreads and created very, very thin bases where they were just holding on by a thread. Today we're going to show you how to achieve a thick dread base again if this has happened to your clients. Okay. So you can see here that this hair is very fine compared to the dread. What we've done, the client has just cut around the area too, which has also weakened it. So to fix this, way to fix this particular problem here is to bend the dread back on itself. We're going to shorten the dread here, but we're giving it thickness. So yeah, go from that side, be easier. So I've just bent it up on itself. So again, just to remind you, I just get the dread and push it in and hold that whole piece together and dread it together. So we can see here now what was really fine before now has a little bit of substance. Also the client's cut here, which often happens, the clients will cut a little bit around the dread because they don't like the flyaway. We're going to ask the client to grow that and put that in so we can put it into the base and thicken the base up. That will sometimes also happen if the client's been to some barber and they've shaved really close to the edge of the dread and made the dread really weak at the base.
And also hairspray, while you're growing that bit, hairspray is a really good way of controlling that front frizz until it's long enough to pull into the dread.